Okay, cool. So now we've picked out our template and we're ready to start building on our website. First thing I want to show you is the little button called Edit Page. When you click on that, it's going to load this editor. Now, this looks a lot like what you would find in a Word document, and most of them are just the same. This will be your font panel, the size, bold, italic, underline, the color of your font, or the background color. If I do that, that's just going to make whatever I highlighted that green color. So I mean, that doesn't look good, so I'm going to just click undo, and that's the first arrow over here on the left. You can also put in a link, so maybe I want to link them to another external website, so I would just highlight, click link, and let's just send them to Google. Okay, so now I have got this link in here. When users click on it, it'll take them there. One other thing about that, let's click change. One good thing to make sure you do is that you click open this link in a new window at the very bottom left hand corner. You do that so users aren't taken away from your site, so it keeps them their attention on what's important there if you need to put in a hyperlink. Click OK, and there you have it. I can also do a numbered list, a bulleted list. This is indenting, which you can also do with your tab key. Just like that. You can align the text any way you would like it. So let's say I want to realign this to the middle. There you have it. Okay, this one is just to remove all the formatting and take it back to its original state. HTML is just a way to embed different things into your website, and I'll explain that later. Okay, back over here on the left, we're going to look at the insert menu. These are all the things that you can put into your pages. So it's pretty handy if you type your parent letter up in a Google Doc, then you can embed that directly into your website, and I'll show you how that works. So I'm just going to click on document. Hopefully I have some documents on this. Sweet. So I've got this iGoogle screenshot assignment. I'm going to select that. As far as pixels go, what I would do is just leave it as is, and then if you need to, you can come back to that and fix it if you want to change your sizing. Alright, so not bad, not great. Really don't like the fact that I have to scroll over here. So I'm going to make that a little skinnier just by clicking on properties and put my width as, let's try 500. Click save. Okay, that looks better. Let's see what happens when I save the page. So anytime you finish doing, formatting or changing something, you'll always want to save it. Luckily, Google will not let you leave that page until you're finished with, they'll ask you, if you try to click off of the page, they'll ask you if you want to save it, so that's handy. So here you go. Now you can see the assignment I put in for students to follow, or if you put your parent letter in a Google Doc, you can embed it right there. Alright, when you come back, we're going to look at more about managing the site.